guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new, hey boo, my name is Airicka. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment anything that you guys need help with in the comment section. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so today is a quick video because I'm dropping some more custom packaging vendors. So as you guys know, this is another lace bag that I got from 1129 Designs. This fits, this basically fits like almost everything. So, you know, I gotta show y'all a little something. So these are just like a regular pair of sunglasses. So you can put sunglasses in there and they fit perfectly. And they are originally just for my lashes, to put my lashes in. This is just a regular square lash box. And then, you know, just like that. So yeah, so it is 1129 Designs. Again, I will leave the link down below. And then, dropped it. Okay, so also I got sample bags from Sticker Mule. I am going to give you guys a coupon code. So this is the poly mailers, the custom poly mailers. I got a sample and it is very good quality, y'all, like very good quality. And this is what the inside of it looks like. But like, y'all, this is a very good quality. Like, I like this bag. Yes, and it got my logo on it. Period, because y'all know custom packaging always adds a little razzle dazzle. I was gonna show a recap, but no. Y'all can just, I'm gonna drop a link down below for part 1 of our custom packaging. I show my custom packaging boxes that you guys see down there. And I have bigger bags like this, and it was something else that I showed y'all that I'm not sure, but I have like a whole bunch of custom packaging for my business. And you guys know custom packaging really brings out your business, and sometimes people just shop with you because your packaging is cute. So but you know, some people just shop with you because your custom packaging is cute. So again, this was a quick video just to let y'all know. I will leave down the link to my coupon code. That way you guys can save some money on you. They Sticker Mule has custom poly mailers. They have custom taping. They have custom stickers. And there's some other things that they have custom made that you could just add your logo on and add a little razzle dazzle to your custom packaging. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, this was a quick video just to give y'all some more custom packaging vendors for the free, just in case if you never knew about them. So yeah, bye.